Hi guys, welcome back. Now, 9 months ago I bought a selection of evergreens, one of which was this Himalayan Cypress, which I potted up and left for a while. And then I did a bit of styling, put some wire on it off camera, and now is the time to unwire it as the wire has bitten in quite a lot. I'll spin you around and show you in a minute. So, as you can see, it's bitten in quite a lot. It's definitely time to take it off. So I thought I'd show you how I'm going to do that. I'm quite interested to see what this looks like under the wire. And I've got no idea what that is. Focus. No idea what that is. So I'm going to leave that in there and we will see in a few months' time. So yeah, I'll set you up and we'll crack on. So yeah, there's two different types of wire on here, two gauges of wire. There's 3mm and 2.5. I think that's what I put on it anyway. But yeah, it's grown quite quick over the last few months. So yeah, I'll take it off. I'm going to leave the thinner gauge wire on the ends here, just until these set a bit more because they're still quite flexible, and they haven't really bitten in yet. So it's literally just going to be the wire on the trunk. It's really difficult to kind of get hold of without blocking the camera. So we'll try it. Okay, so those are both 2.5mm. The 3mm was around the base of the trunk. Let's get that off as well. Right, so that's that taken off. I'll bring you in and we can have a closer look at some of the scars and this hole in the bark here. So the wire's taken off the main trunk now. I'll just bring you in so we can have a closer look at the wire scars. It's not going to zoom in, is it? There we go. Yeah, it's bitten in quite serious, and a little bit worried about this. I mean, do they call this a shari or what? I don't know. Don't know whether it's going to be detrimental to the tree in the future, but we will see. And yeah, so it's bitten in quite a bit, but hopefully a few months, maybe a year, and that will all hopefully grow out. I might just give this moss a bit of a trim as well. So there we go, Himalayan Cypress, unwired, ready to go outside for the spring. There's plenty of new growth on it, and yeah, over the next few years I'm going to hopefully spread these out a bit more, like that. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, a sub and a share, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot.